Alright, we're going to clean this dirty ass Mazda Speed 6. A couple of you guys at Mazda Movement wanted to know how to do this. All I do is regular saran wrap beforehand. Wrap that around things like a filter, your MAF housing, just sensitive areas. You don't need it airtight or awesome. It just needs to protect you from indirect spraying. You're not going to be sitting there spraying directly on it at any point. Now you're just going to take your engine degreaser. You can get coral, purple, anything like that. Just dilute it 3:1. 3 parts degreaser, 3 parts water, 1 part degreaser. And just set it on stream. And just really get all that stuff. Nothing happened. Stay away from chrome. You really don't want it to etch into your chrome too much. Just definitely want it to get into these grody ass areas where this dude never kept up with his Mazda.
Shut up.
Piece of shit owner.
Yeah. Too busy racing.
You're not. With what motor mounts?
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Take your regular soap. You can use a bore brush or whatever, but I just like to use this because it's smaller and easier. This is just Adams soap, shampoo, and water, and a grit guard and a regular 5-gallon bucket. A lot of cars, not really much this one. A lot of cars will have debris, pine needles, and all that, leaves. Make sure to take all those out. So when you do this, you want to get a nice fan. Like that. You don't want any of this degreaser to just sit on your paint, so you just gotta make sure to really get it all off with a good rinse. Yes.
In the pocket, right?
Yes.
That's
Exactly
why I was
where you
mad at
told.
you, because I knew you didn't look.
Whatever.
I'm like, I know for sure you didn't look, because I know what's in there. Can you get the rest of the stuff down? Silly boy. Oh, am I supposed to do the movie?
Yes, stop scolding me in my damn movie.
I wasn't make fun of him
Get your
now.
own groceries.
It's karma. Made fun of my car.
Bitches be tripping. Go away. We're doing man stuff. Now you can take your saran wrap off. Alright, it's all redone. Everything generally dried up so you don't accumulate anymore. stuff. And it really helps kind of just clean it up as well. This could be a lot more sophisticated. I used things and tools and shampoo and stuff anybody kind of just has laying around. You can use a brush, so long as I'd use a boar's hair, something similar if you have that, or you can go order some from Adams or whatnot. And we're just gonna dry it up so we can start with the VRT and dress it up, make it look back to normal and newish.
Yeah.
It's a non-greasy formula. It'll repel water, but it won't attract dust. So it won't look like right back to where you were not too long ago. Now, since you can't always get everywhere with that, aerosol works just fine. Getting inside all the places you couldn't. You can also use this for basically anything. Like all these guards down here, you can use that for this as well. Hard to reach spots. Smells like Old Spice too. Always a plus. So, somewhat detailed Speed 600.